Hey guys, it's Juan. Welcome back to another video. Alright, today we're gonna play a Roblox game, and it's called, let me find it. Oh, it's not playing anymore. Okay, I am going to play a game called Windows Error Simulator. Hang on. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Windows Error Simulator. Alright, let's do it. Alright, let's get started. Windows Error Simulator. Click on your username to log in. Okay, guys, I never told you my username. And what? I don't know if I should do this, but my name is TutyFruityMario900. If you want to friend me, then, I might have the max limit of friends, but I'll unfriend some friends because I'm, not playing with them anymore. Here we go. Windows startup sound? Why can't my mouse move? My mouse is not moving, so I have to, leave the game. Alright, my mouse is not moving, so let's do it again. Okay, click on your username, log in. There we go. Windows startup. That's cool. Hide the error. Alright, so here we are. Like, all these icons are players that are playing this game. Alright, so, and you have the start menu right here. You could click on that, and then it gives you all these special activities. Alright, like paint, or let's play Error Terror. Alright, let's get ready. Let's do it. 5 bonus points. No, I don't want this. No, I don't want this. Disable firewall. No, you're a noob. Okay. No, this is too much. Don't malware. Prevent hackers. Secure your password. No. Disable. No. Don't malware. You're a noob. Cancel your cookies. No. Download malware. Yeah. No. This is too many pop-ups. Oh, this is too many. I'm not gonna make it. Oh, no. You're a rock star. Thank you. Prevent hackers. Stop it. No. Yes. No. This is too much. Viruses. Who's sending me these viruses? That was turning cool. Alright, so I don't know what this is, but it was kind of weird. Alright, Error Terror. Okay, let's go on start menu. What's modify cursor? Shutter speed. What if I lower it down to this? Shutter speed.